Hello, welcome to a tutorial on solving systems of equations through graphing. So graphing is going to be the first of our methods for solving systems of equations, so let's take a quick look at it. Okay, so a couple of things about systems of equations to remember here. So, one, systems are collections of equations or inequalities which are all true in the universe being considered. The universe just being the set of equations that they're particularly talking about, or inequalities. Two, a solution to a function is a point on the line of that function, or the line that the function would generate. So for example, here I have circled this point down here. That is a solution to that particular red equation. And so it's the point negative 1.5 or negative 3/2, comma 0. So that's a solution on that red line. But so would be, say, this point here, which is 0, comma 3. So that would be a solution as well to the red line. Okay, but now, to be a solution to a system, a point must be a solution to all functions in the system. So graphically, that means it must be on all lines. And there's really no other way it could be there. If it's going to be a solution to all functions, and it has to be on all of their lines, then if we're dealing with straight lines here, the only way that could occur is at the point where they intersect, right? They're only going to share that one point in common, straight lines are. So unless they completely overlap, in which case they're just the same line, and then there's infinite solutions. But if they were, say, parallel lines, like another line kind of just coming this way following that red one, then they'd have no points of intersection, so there'd be no solutions to them. Okay, so all you really do in this graphical case is you just find the point that they intersect. And so here we have the point of intersection up here. We can see right up here is where they intersect, and so I'm going to circle that. That is my point of intersection. And now on a nice graph that works out, sometimes I can go ahead and I can just see and read off where it is. And so I know that that's going to be the point 2 is my x-coordinate. And then my y-coordinate, it looks like 6. That's divided into 6.5, 7. So 2, comma 7. And so that is the solution to this particular system of equations. So that's how I do that graphically. Now, let's suppose that I had another line that ran like this. Okay, so I added this third line in. And yes, we have these intercepts here and here, but they're not mutual to all of them at the same time, so there would be no solution in that case. But in our original case, we had that solution of 2, 7, so I hope this tutorial helped.